We have issued a law enforcement warning. At 3 a.m., a serial killer has been roaming the town and been killing people. He took a bunch of kids, killed them, and we have no idea, but there has been missing kids on Halloween this year. Do not go trick-or-treating. If you're out trick-or-treating, you can possibly die. If you approach this monster or approach this kid, he's some serial killing kid. If you approach this kid, you will face certain death. You will die. Please, he's been breaking into homes and killing people. If you approach this kid, well, anyways, if you want to know where this kid is, he is somewhere that is in Portland, Oregon. Do not approach this kid. Repeating, this is not a test. This is a complete not a test. If this kid approaches you, make sure you have armor. There is a bunch of missing kids this Halloween. Please. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test.